All right, logic puzzle number 7. Here we go. The first one says, subtract Rover's barking total, which could be any of them, from the Beagle's barking total. So what that tells me right now is that Rover is not the Beagle, to determine the flea population of the Doberman. So we're going to have a barking total minus another barking total should equal a flea. Okay? So I'm going to be energy efficient and use a calculator. So if we do 247 minus 198, that gets us 49. Is that a flea total? Nope. So we could do 198 minus 137, and that gets us 61. Is that a flea total? Nope, that's not a flea total. So let's do 247 minus 137, which gives us 110, which is one of the options. So 247. So whoever is the Beagle has 247 barks. And we subtracted Rover's from the barks, which means Rover has to be 137. Okay, which means the other two are not going to be that. And then the last part said to determine the flea population of the Doberman. So whoever is the Doberman has 110 fleas. Okay, that was problem number 1. Number 2, Fido was not a poodle. All right, and did not bark the most. All right, well, that means that the only one available for Fido is this middle one, which means Pepper is the 247 barks, which means Pepper is the Beagle. And if Pepper's the Beagle, that means Fido has to be the Doberman, and that means Rover is the Poodle. Now we can fill in these things. We've got the Beagle is 247, and now we need the Doberman is 110. Woo, look at that, getting all sorts of things filled in. Number 3, the dog with the most fleas did not scratch the most. So the most fleas is not the most scratches. And Pepper had more fleas than Rover. Okay, so Pepper had more fleas than Rover. The only two options left are 63. So Pepper has 63, Rover has 47. And then the last one, the Beagle scratched the least. The Beagle over here scratched the least, which means the only option for Fido is the middle one, which means Rover scratched the most. And there you go.